Alrighty guys, got another quick video walkthrough of our 2013 Forest River Solera. This is a 24R model. It's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis with that little V6 diesel motor in it. We're going to run through the exterior, then we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. First thing to point out, the tires are 16-inch tires. Here's kind of the numbers on them for you. Load range E. And you got 2 up front, of course. Dualies in the back, so 4 back there, so 6 total tires. Now this coach is full body paint, which is cool. So you got a clear coat on top of your stripes, so you don't have just stickers on there that peel and crack over time. And this thing's 7 years old, and you really couldn't tell. It looks really good from the outside. Let's go through these compartments. Your first one here, battery bin. So not too bad, whole area for that for the 2. Right next to it, got that heavy duty plastic. Pretty strong stuff with the little drain down there. And in this one you do have an inverter. That is a 2,000 watt inverter, which is pretty big for this size of an RV. Next up is your generator. It is an LP generator, so they're either diesel or LP in these guys. Now LP is not bad. It uses a lot less gas compared to the actual diesel motor, but it is still LP, so something to point out. Here's your main storage compartment, and this is all because you got that corner bed right above us. So same heavy duty plastic. The previous one did put this big old Coleman cooler in here, which actually fits really well, surprisingly enough. It's a very nice, good amount of storage there. On the exterior, you can see your gen exhaust there. On the exterior, rear, you got your backup camera up there. And you do have a hitch. Should be a 5,000 pound hitch, might be 3,500, but I doubt it. 7-way pin connector. And then just another access point into that storage area. And of course you do have a ladder that will go all the way up so you can maintain that roof up there. Here's your dump station and power cord. So you got your 30 amp power service right above. You got your sewer hose that goes there. Got a little propane connection there. And you can see your black tank flush, city water, and then the actual poles for the flush is right there, and a winterization valve. Now the next compartment's a little bit tougher to see because they're all under the coach, but you got a propane and then 2 storage areas, so we'll check them out. Should give you as good of a look as I can, I guess. So there's your first storage area, just a small little compartment, propane tank right there, and then finally up front you got your other storage compartment. Of course the main one's going to be in the rear, but you got those additional ones to help supplement the storage. Now this is a full-on Class C. You do have a bunk over the cabin side. We'll go check that out now. You got 1 step to go in, and then a couple steps into the actual coach. Right when you walk into your left, got your battery disconnect, light controls, and awning control. All right. So here is the first quick walk around, and we'll go through everything individually, but let's jump up front first. This coach has 55,587 miles on it, so that's not bad for a diesel, but you can tell, I mean, it's got 55,000 on it. You got a little bit of wear on the seats, not too bad, but they are starting to kind of peel on those seams. Same with the passenger side. Not sure what happened here. Somebody had a cup or something. Maybe it was only one guy and that was his cup driving seat. Now everything else up front is very reminiscent of a standard Sprinter chassis. They do have a backup camera right there mounted above. And that's about it, nothing too crazy. Your overhead bunk. This does flip over, but I got it flipped up so you can actually get into the cab a little bit easier. The TV is on a little swing mount. So we'll go push back or forward, help you with your viewing angles, and you can see a ladder which connects to the other side of this mat when you have it flipped over. All right, so your slide goes from that corner all the way down to that corner right there. You got the dinette in the slide, closet, and pantry. So your dinette, it's one of those standard booth dinettes. They say it'll sleep 2 people if you drop the table down. You got to fix the end little mounting here, whatever you want to call it. We have 2 of these big old drawers for storage under it, and then you have these 3 above And these are all connected, so I'll put my phone in there, you'll be able to see all the way down. Give you a little bit of storage there. The windows, since they are that kind of seamless style window, they don't come out super far, but you also don't have to replace the seals nearly as often, which is a big plus. That's always never fun and time consuming. So your closet is on the left side. And then on the right side, you got your pantry. And it is on a slide out cage. Very nice. I actually store a good amount of stuff and food and cans and spices and whatever you want in there. Down below, you got 2 of these drawers. Not too bad. And then you got on the right side 3 of these drawers. Not too bad. Right behind us, you got your kitchen. To the left of that, you got some storage, and you got where the TV is connected in. There's a pop-up leaf, give you a little bit more counter space, which I gotta fix the mounting bracket for. Now this is kind of like a Korean style cover. Single bay sink with a nice flawless cover, which is really hard to deal with one hand. All right, almost got it. There we go. My gosh, that was tough. All right, nice and flawless there. 3-burner stove top, and then a little 19-inch oven right below. Below the sink, storage, and it looks like this does pull out, which is nice. And then below that, got just another small little drawer. Oh, there's my tip, free lifesaver. And then, as you can tell, I call this the pots and pans storage, and that's exactly what they used it for. Alrighty. Above us, if you look in here, I can't remember. Got another little storage compartment. To the right, microwave. And light, fan on your hood there. Your fridge, it's a 2-door Dometic fridge, propane or electric. Got your freezer up top. And of course your fridge, a little bit of wear on the door, on the actual door here. And then there's a fridge. And above here, another small little storage. I got the gen running for the AC. We got 119.2 hours on there. Then you got your level testers. You have an Arctic package on here, so you can heat your tanks, slide control, and some lights. Corner bed. It doesn't look like a queen. Bigger than a full though. Couldn't tell you. I'd have to measure it to get the exact size. But you can see your AC control, little power hookups, light, inverter. But above us, you got a whole lot of storage. So this should be another kind of pass there. Should go all the way down. And then above the head, you got something pretty dang similar up there. And then finally, the last thing to look at is going to be your bathroom and vanity. So here's your sink, a little single plastic sink right there. A little bit of storage below, minus the plumbing. And then your toilet room, toilet and shower. There's a Korean toilet, which is kind of nice. Your shower is just one of those little like 2x3 showers. I mean, better than nothing, but it is a little tight. I am 5'9" and kind of fat. I can fit in here pretty easy. If you had to wash the ankles, might be a little tough, but it's possible. So there you go. Nice, easy, quick little walkthrough, but that's our 2013 Solera. If you try to look this up, this is actually a 24R model. It doesn't come up on NATA guides as that. I think there's only 2 of the models, but that is legitimately what it is. We call the factory. So thank you so much for viewing my walkthrough. If you have any questions, go ahead, comment down below. If you want to see this coach in person, my name's Taylor Quayle. Come visit me here at Pedata RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. I'd love to give you a quick peek. Have a great day, guys. Go ahead and wash your hands.